Hello, all, and welcome back. So, today's theme is pets or people that I love. So, I'm going to go into pets first and we'll go from there. We have one cat that you've probably seen in previous videos, or at least parts of, because it frequently likes to bother me while I'm filming. We will see if she decides to do that this time. It's not all the time, but she does once in a while. We also have two other male cats. We have a dog that my husband uses for hunting. He does a lot of bird hunting, pheasants, ducks, geese, things like that. And so he has a dog for that, plus to keep him busy during the summers while he fishes. That's not as active as going bird hunting. So we then have my daughter's service dog in training. We got the dog because she was frequently getting dizzy, passing out, things like that. So we figured a mobility support dog would be helpful. Plus, then there's times where she doesn't realize and steps off a curb wrong and dislocates things like that. So again, mobility support. Well, we got the pup and it immediately started alerting whenever she was getting dehydrated. And so we are still working on training that alert, but that'll help a lot with the need for a dog when she's getting dizzy or passing out, because it's always due to dehydration. So if she's alerted in advance, she can treat before she gets to that point. So then it would be more just for when she dislocates, things like that, plus for the alert. So that's the animals we have. People that I love, and I've gone into this many times, and that's why I thought I'd start with the pets. My parents, both of them have HEDS, likely, just because of my children all having EDS, a few things like that, plus signs that they have. And I actually will talk more about them in the What It Means to Be Zebra Strong video, because there's some major things there. My husband, he is my second husband, and he is amazing. There's so many things that had happened with my first marriage that I was not ready to acknowledge and not ready to get married again or anything else. But he actually dated my best friend in high school and was pretty serious with her. And so there was a trust there already. And I talked about that best friend in my friend's video, Anna Walt. And when we met and things were starting to get more serious, one of my first things was insisting she met him. And the minute she realized who I was talking about, she was like, oh, I was going to introduce you a few months ago. I really should have. So that was very helpful and really helped between that and his kids and my kids all getting along was huge towards helping that trust level. And talking about kids, that's another huge thing to both of us. He had 2 kids, I had 4 kids, and then we've had 2 kids. We love them to death. So that's the people that and then I have a bunch of siblings. He has a few. And so we have a bunch of nieces and nephews, things like that. So those are the people in my life that are alive now. I knew some of my grandparents, but they are all dead. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions or who you love or what type of pets you have, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.